And thank you very much. It is really, really great to be back in Bonfeld at the new Black Sheep Festival. Fantastic to be back here. We have a new album out. The album is called Diamonds on the Water, and this song is from that album. It's called A River Runs Through You and Me. Imagine that you have a friend, maybe a lover from way back, and whenever you meet, the spark is still there. There's something that's always there. A river runs through you and me, never reaches the ocean, never reaches the sea. That's the chorus. A river runs.
You are my hope, my resonance. You are the edge my head lay. You carry all the plans we made. You are the path, my hidden trail. You are the end, my holy queen. You are my mood, my sudden rage. You are my word, my final page. There are no certainties. We can fall, we can break apart. You pick me up, you smile, and the whole world starts. A river runs through you and me. It never reaches the ocean, it never reaches the sea. Try that. A river runs through. Never reaches the ocean, never reaches the sea. There is no path we cannot take, no mistakes we will not make. Each time the whirlpool drags us down, we come up alive and spinning round. We have nothing left to prove. We have broken every rule. And all the hurt that we feel just makes us stronger when we heal. There are no certainties. We can fall, we can break apart. You pick me up, you smile, then the whole world starts. A river runs through. Reaches the sea. A river runs through you and me. It never reaches the ocean, never reaches the sea. With all one so clear, we run so fast it blinds us. Meanders to the sea, turns back and surrounds us, picks us up, takes us down. That is swirl my lives, you and me, you and me.
never reaches the sea.